it's gonna make me nervous and you're gonna get annoyed with me.
Oh, I know. It's gonna be terrible.
I don't know where Kelly is. It's like she's prepping like we're about to go on some sort of camping trip.
Nice shots.
So today the vlog is starting.
Let's pretend it's 5 a.m. and that's why it's dark outside. Not because we didn't get up at 5 a.m. and it's now 9 o'clock and we're doing what we wanted to do. How many hours ago is that?
9 o'clock p.m. Like
14 hours?
Our construction job is starting at 9 p.m.
Let's do this.
Oh, I can see the moon.
There are no songs about touching the moon.
They're gonna be so mad.
Yeah.
They're like, I want to go to bed. What are y'all doing?
I want you to go to bed too.
I figure we're gonna do this for probably an hour.
That sounds great.
Yeah.
An hour is better than no time.
I know, I agree.
It still smells so good in here for my class.
It does smell like oils in here.
Here's my desk. I just set things up there, pretty for the shot. And then I sit here.
And you put your Mac.
And I put my little Mac here. And then I work on my Mac. And you work on your Mac.
Oh my gosh.
Working on my Mac.
And I had my Mac.
And then I talk. And I teach. And I share cute things on the diffuser. And then I talk a little bit more. And we teach about cool things.
Hold on, wait. I got you this cool light for that.
Oh, and then we look like professional Instagrammers with the ring light, but I can't wear these. See?
Oh, because you're all...
Unprofessional, totally professional.
This is the beginning.
I look like I'm going to school on the first day.
You do.
I'm so ready, Mom.
You guys have not seen anything of what we have done here in the studio.
Yeah.
It's I'm spoiling it because you see the background. This is what we're working on now. We're going to start the rest of the walls.
Yeah.
Tonight.
Mm-hmm.
But this is what we've done so far.
It's cool.
An hour and a half later, we got our first cut.
Here's the deal. You're not going to know if you love it or hate it with one board.
I know, but I just want to make sure.
What? Because all we're going to do is make sure that nothing is any different in what we're doing right now. And we can be 10 boards later.
This is how it goes. Watch this. We're not out of nails.
I mean, we just. Hi. Wait, why are you messing with my camera?
Stare at the wall
Yes.
and not show the tools wherever you're going when it's boring.
Oh, you're too high.
I wait, Daddy.
Okay, Ever, your turn.
Okay, good night, everyone. This guy, am I right? He's not even listening to me. And now I don't know how
to figure it out. How here, there's a lot of stuff in here.
Except the toilet.
It's okay. Shh. The dogs are gonna get so weirded out about this.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can open that too. Okay.
The weather. Thank you, Lord, for October.
I know. Okay, so it's not. I don't even think it's gonna be a full board to this door. Oh my goodness.
What?
Look at all of the things we're gonna have to do right there. This is an easy thing for me to do by myself. So, I mean, these boards are not going to be long, babe. Like, we're just going to get to there.
I think we're both saying things here.
Whoa. I did not see that coming.
Well, didn't you
No?
plug the plug for both of those things?
Yes. Look at all these outlets at work.
Baby, I'm pumped.
I know.
I love these working outlets.
This is so cool. You don't take for granted electricity until you don't have it. It's really important. All right. My thought is, A to the yes, you're just gonna want a full thing, or do you want design?
No.
Great. Kelly is demanding to watch a show, so here's another time lapse. If you want to get the full personality of my wife, follow her on Better Together Wife and her stories. She loves the stories. What did you do?
I broke something.
What were you using the level for during your class?
You can't find mason jars anywhere right now?
Well, yeah, because the world's ending.
I know.
So this board always is the pain in the you-know-what. But it's done.
It's done.
We're ready for the next one.
Board 2.
Go ahead and slap this one up. We still have the template for the next run. And then call it a night. Woohoo!
Hey, 4 in a row. Who did that? I am excited.
That looks cool. Babe, we can build the desk now.
We could, honestly.
I mean, like, if
We could put the floor in right here.
just in this, just that little triangle.
General vicinity.
Yeah.
But if we started on this wall, then we could put the floor in before our anniversary.
Do you want to have someone come and keep our kids and we do an anniversary in here? This show's a rockin'.
I'm just saying that would be pretty amazing. This is less than a day. This is a couple of hours.
That's not less than a day.
This, yes.
Well, I mean, if we did it,
No.
if there was a full day, yes.
We could do this whole wall in, I would say, half a day.
So there's full boards over there on that one.
The ceiling is going to be the living worst.
It's not. Baby, I've done the ceiling before. It's really, the easiest thing is putting the board up and nailing it. Now, I will say all of your lights, Yes. Your lights will be a BI. Is most likely you're going to have a bigger plate for those. So we don't have to, I mean, it's very possible we're just going to like cut it.
Yes.
And like we're not going to have to cut around it like this. We'll just
cut it.
Yeah. It's going to make me nervous and you're going to get annoyed with me with the first run.
Oh, I know. It's going to be terrible.
The first run will stress me out.
We still have to take showers, so let's go to bed. Let's go call it a night.
Outdoor shower?